MA200 Annex A Task 1
by Tiang, Marianna, Engie, Tiang, Huang and Clarence. Congruence and similarity of national monuments in Singapore. National Museum of Singapore.
The constantly changing National Museum of Singapore is Singapore's oldest museum. Its history dates back to 1849 as an elegant cultural landmark with different ways of presenting history and culture from different perspectives.
It was originally built by Colonel Sir Henry Edward McCallum as the former Raffles Library and Museum was relocated to Stamford Road in 1887.
Innovative displays, interactive elements, and compelling personal stories in the museum make the artifacts come to life. Through them, people will form a greater emotional connection to the museum and to Singapore's culture and history.
There are 50 pieces of stained glass, each about 9 feet long. The Victorian glass patterns were carefully inspected on site, their condition assessed by professional stained glass artists in Singapore.
Identifying similar structures in the National Museum of Singapore. The two similar structures we identified were the rims of the hemispherical dome on the rotunda. This is the internal view of the dome where both rims can be seen. For structure 1, the length between points X and Y is 6.9 units, and that between points W and Z is 7 units. The lines cross at the center point. For structure 2, the length between points X and Y is 13.8 units, and that between points W and Z is 14 units. The lines cross at the center point. The measurements were made on the images using centimeter initially. However, centimeters have been changed to units as the images have been resized. We do not require the actual lengths as we are looking for the ratio of the two lengths of structures 1 and 2 to prove its similarity. The ratio of the lengths from point X to Y on structure 1 to that of structure 2 is 1:2. The ratio of the lengths from point W to Z on structure 1 to that of structure 2 is also 1:2. As the two ratios are the same, we can conclude that structures 1 and 2 are similar.
In fact, the NMS website cites that the dome of the rotunda is a hemisphere, thus the two structures would be circular. However, on our image they appear to be ovals. This is due to the fact that this picture was misangled and was not taken directly below the two structures. Therefore, both structures appeared to be proportionally oval. So imagine there's a circular hole on the ground and you're standing directly above it. This is how it'll look like. However, if you start walking away from it, it'll start looking more like an oval. Since a circle is defined as a set of points equidistant from the center of the circle is only defined by its radius. Thus, all circles are similar. Hence, as both structures were circles, our claim that the structures are similar is further supported.
This is the floor plan of the National Museum of Singapore. On an A4 paper, the map would be scaled 1 to 690. First, we measured the length of the wall with the entrance to the rotunda on our A4 floor plan. Then we measured the actual length of the wall with the entrance to the rotunda. We did this by using Google Maps. We used the scale function to measure its actual length. On Google Maps, 1.25 centimeters on the map represents 5 meters in actual length. The wall with the entrance of the rotunda is 5.35 centimeters on the map. 5 meters divided by 1.25 centimeters times 5.35 centimeters equals to 21.4 meters. Thus, on our map, 3.1 centimeters represents 21.4 meters. Actual length represented by 1 centimeter on the map equals to 21.4 divided by 3.1 equals to 6.90 meters equals 690 centimeters. Then we simplified the ratio to 1 to 690.